Hi, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're jumping straight into this look today. Right now, I just have my hand dryer going with my wig brush, and I'm just going through and detangling my hair. You guys, if it bothers you that I call this brush a wig brush, I am so sorry. Where I'm from, we call it that. So just let me know in the comment section below the proper name for it, and I will start calling it by the proper name. So now that I'm finally done blow drying my hair, I'm just going through and parting my hair off in sections so that I can flat iron it the proper way. Well, I think the proper way was the easiest way for me, better yet. And I'm just going through parting my hair, putting in sections, and using the rubber band to basically keep my hair parted off. Now it's time for the fun part, baby. Now I'm going through flat ironing my hair. As you guys can see, I realized that my hair had broke off a lot. It is horrible. So I'm just going through as I flat iron it, and I'm just going through and cutting it as well. My cutting techniques, y'all, I know it's probably gonna bother y'all that I'm not using the mirror at the back of my head, but I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I do a feel, you know. Some people need mirrors. Some people just feel and cut. If it's messed up back there, oh well. It's hair. It grows back. So finally, I decided, oh, let me try the wand. But my wand is entirely too big for my hair. So I decided just flatter and just say forget it and just flatter and all out. I will be getting a smaller one and doing that look. My wand is entirely too big for my hair. My hair is too short. So I will do that look another time. And I'm just going through flattering my hair. Now that I'm done finally putting my hair in the desired state, I'm just going through with my Kira Care wax stick. And I'm just going through trying to put my edges as best as possible. Y'all, I am not good at doing edges. I'm not going to lie. I just stick them bad boys back and keep them moving. So my edges are not perfect. And I'm just going through and I'm just trying to lay their hair down. This is going on. I'm trying to fix it, but it just won't stop, you know? At this point, I'm just frustrated. I'm like, whatever happens, happens. So if it's bothering you, I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry. It just want to do its own thing today. See, watch this. Motherfucker still standing up. It's just hard-headed. You know, you got I always get that one string of her. They want to do what they want to do. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let me stop talking like that. So this is the final look. I did highlight my hair. Y'all see I got tongue tied. But I did highlight my hair. I will be posting a video very, very soon. Give me 2 days. 2 days. I promise I will have it for you. I know I procrastinate a lot. And I know people was like, dang, how did she style hair? Well, this is how I style my hair. For today. Because before today, I was putting this bad boy in ponytails because I was like, I don't want to cut it. But I finally cut it. My hair looks a lot better. Nice, healthy, a lot of body. As you guys can see. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video. Tell your family about me. Tell anybody. Shoot, tell the person on the street, like, hey, follow this girl. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, subscribe. Until next time. Oh, yes, and again, if you guys want to see something particular you want me to do, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll try my best to attempt it, baby. But don't give me something too hard, because I ain't that advanced. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm like, look at you coming, I'm keep on strolling. I'm like, girl, I can't do that shit. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.